Hello and welcome to the All-American Shutters and Glass family. Our team would like to formally introduce you to your aluminum roll-up shutters. Designed for increased durability and longevity even in the harshest of environments, aluminum roll-up shutters can easily be made storm-ready by one person. Deployment of these roll-up shutters can be accomplished from a single remote, the use of a wall switch, via manual operation in case of a power loss, or through an app over Wi-Fi. If using an app, select the shutter you wish to deploy and press the down button. Shutter deployment can also be scheduled in the app or triggered remotely. If you have a bug screen as well, this can also be deployed or retracted in the app. It is suggested to retract the bug screen when deploying your shutters. To store your shutters, simply follow the steps in reverse for your respective deployment method. Your shutters will be stored safely in a metal enclosed box atop your opening, ready for their next use. To maintain your shutters, it is suggested to wash them twice a year with soap and water to prevent salt and debris buildup. Do not pressure wash. Lubricate tracks with LC wax. Do not use a silicone-based lubricant. At All-American Shutters and Glass, our people-first mentality empowers you with greater peace of mind to know that your loved ones and physical possessions within your home are secure by ensuring that outside threats remain out. All-American Shutters and Glass. Build a life, protect a legacy.